New fears tonight ahead of the Olympics.
I think if we don't see an attempt on the Olympics, I'd be very surprised.
Terrorist attacks killed dozens of people ahead of the upcoming Winter Olympics in Russia. A suicide bomber detonated a device on a packed trolley bus this morning, killing at least 14 people and injuring more than 24 others. And just yesterday, an attack at a train station killed at least 17 people. The two attacks over 2 days are raising big concerns and fears this is just the beginning of more violence. Russia's president has promised the safest games in history. And tonight, as our Serena Fazan shows us, Olympic hopefuls and athletes already headed to Sochi have confidence they will be protected.
Britain's David King and Stacey Kemp are training here at the Ellington Ice and Sports Complex, preparing for their second trip to the Olympics, but overshadowing their practice.
The last 48 hours for Russia has been terrible.
The two terror attacks prompting the British Olympic Committee to reach out to these skaters and others, saying they still believe Sochi is a safe place for Olympic athletes.
You know, from what we've heard, the Russian security is doing everything they can.
David and Stacey say they have some reservations, but after years of intense training, they still plan to compete.
Obviously, our health comes first, and if we're advised not to go, we wouldn't go. But as long as they can assure our safety and everything, they'll do the best to keep us safe, we will go.
American pair Nate Bartholomew and Felicia Zhang are hoping to qualify for the Olympics. They're heading to the Nationals next week. After 3 years of practice, they're not going to let these attacks deter them. They feel confident they will be safe thanks to the many security forces working together.
Full faith in our federation. They know what we need and what we need to do best to compete at the Olympic Games.
In that regard, we really trust also the Russian Skating Federation to really provide support and top-level security for an event like this.
The skaters say while they will continue to closely watch the developments in Russia, they will let officials carry out the tasks needed to keep them safe while they focus on their job, training for the world's largest competition. Serena Fazan, ABC Action News.